Hey y'all, this is Keaton from KRS Outdoors. Today we are going to, for this video, we're catching a bunch of crappie during the spawning season, which is over now, but this is a couple weeks ago, which the fishing was really great. I fished before the rain, and I fished during the rain and during the sunset, and I was a little cold out there and a little uncomfortable. A rain jacket, and it was all good. Hopefully you enjoy this episode. I forgot to do the intro that day, but we're gonna get it going. Alright, we're gonna go get some crappie, and we're gonna get some big fish.
Got a little one. Get some crappie fishing in before the rain comes. Yeah. Got him. Got another crappie that is about a 10 or 11 or 12 incher. Heck yeah, another bobby got him. That is how I catch him. Heck yeah. I got another one. Got another one, that's a good one. They're all tanks. They're all tanks, Ace. That is a good one. That is a good one. How do we catch these slabs, man? Heck yeah, that is a 13, 14 incher. That's a good one. Heck yeah. Got him. Got him. And it's just a little baby. Just a little baby. Not what we're looking for, but it's the correct species. Heck yeah. Gotta look. Oh. Got another one. Got another one. Let's go. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I'm catching them all right now. Heck yeah. And two on at once. Two on at once. Two on at once. I'm recording. That's the weight on that thing. 2, 3. What, dude? That's a good one, Ace.
Here, let's get all of them.
We are getting a 3. Don't be careful! Don't break my rod, dude. You're almost gonna break my rod. That's a $160 rod.
You wanna lay all 3 of them together?
Yo, that's yo. Yours is the biggest.
That would be a good thumbnail right there.
Yeah, I mean, good deal right there.
That'd be a good thumbnail.
Hell yeah, dude. Got him. In the rain. Woo! Yeah. That is another crappie in the rain. And I just got another one on this rock. Ooh. Yeah, still got him. On the live beach. That is a good one. That is another good one. Heck yeah! We are paying it off. Got another one. Got another one. We're killing them. Yeah, that is how we do it. Spawn crappie absolutely everywhere right now. Heck yeah. Got one. Another one. Left and right. There we go. which ain't too big. Ain't too small. Heck yeah. Let's get another one. Got another one. There's another nice crappie. Heck yeah. Release him, he's out. There, dude. Another one. What's that thing? How's it going? Oh boy, that is good. Oh, that's a good. There's taste right now. That is a good one. Yeah, that is how do it. Another 13, 14-incher. Catching these monsters left and right. Heck yeah. Guys are laying around here like no joke. Out. Pop off. Right there too. There we go. Slam him left and right. Right after the rain. love catching them, especially around this time of year, fighting left and right. We cannot give these guys up. Heck yeah.
And that's the end for that one. And we had a good evening. Caught about 25 crappie. And that was like the last trip I did during the spawning season. And they all moved offshore. So we'll go. That was a great trip. It may have been a little blurry, but it's just the way it is sometimes. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe the video. Peace out. I'll see you in the next episode.